love?
Nature trip. Na-stranded.
Pagod akong chance.
So, nang nag-bike, gilakaw na. Ayaw mo.
Love, grabing nature trip. Gilakaw siya.
Yes. Destination.
Hapit na sa destination. Wala ka rin gyapon.
30 round ako. Kipotol.
Sige lang, love.
Mag-hiking ka.
Kaya mo hike niya. Gahils! See that?
Murason din.
Oh.
Murason.
Ah. Uy, kung ganun yung laki, kailangan.
Ano, wait mo nang gadala sa imong pulse.
Wala ka, love. Nakuni mo. Ano na din.
Basa ng guba.
Importante, ay okay ra guba. Importante kabalong, wala ka ugingan. But I'm so tired. Kapuya. Gibiyaan ako niya. Ahay. Tingnan ko dog sa kong tiil. Nya nya nya. Kita ko sa camera si Maria.
Back then, when you delivered, they got close to me to see the Brooks Group success. Did you ever imagine this day would come?
No.
Kanaroy.
Iris,
I would want
I
it.
was wrong. I should never paid your kindness with spite, jealous of your money, or seduced your husband
Kilawan
and
na lang.
ruined your family. Just help me one more time.
Thanks
Why
for
should I
doing
have a homewrecker like you?
Bless
Kind.
you.
So it's true. Being too kind, too real, only attracts ungrateful people like you. I'll never hit you all for loving you. You love me. I'm
Kaya
not
na
helping
lang
you.
nawala.
Also, starting tomorrow,
Ay.
all of your supplementary cards.
Iris, you're so hard,
Nag-develop.
but don't think you can get out of paying these $30 million. As long as we're still married, this is